Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to make a pillow by our household sewing machine 700. Before the sewing, we need to prepare some materials. First is a sewing machine FHSM 700, and second is 2 pieces of fabric, and the third is the pillow fillers. Now let's start. The first step is to overlap these 2 pieces of fabrics, then make the overlock sewing. Remember to reserve a small opening for the filling. The second step is turn out the front of the pillow. Then make the filling. The final step is to sew up the small opening. Now the pillow is done. It seems very easy, right? If you are interested in our sewing machine, welcome to contact us on Alibaba.com.